Let's make sure, because this time I'm streaming across Twitch, and a couple other spots. I just don't know how. Um, let's see if I can find my Twitch stream so I can tweet this out. Let's see, weekly wisdom comes up. Okay, Twitch. Okay, found one. Okay, we got. Let's put all. Can you guys see the screen? I need to tweet this out. So just give me 1 second so I can tweet out all the stuff. Okay. Let me find my YouTube one. YouTube. Alright. Well, we're streaming across like multiple platforms, so we might see some buffering issues, delays. Just let me know, and we're gonna do this as we're gonna kind of learn and do this as we go. I'm just trying to find all my streams so that I can put this out there. Okay. Let's see what else. I just have TV running in the back, so if you hear some noise, just watching ESPN and a couple of things on the TV back there. If it's too bothersome, just let me know, and we'll go through it. And then okay. All right, tweeted it out. All right, let's get into it. We've been having fun. So, a couple things. Let's just kind of look at markets. That's usually how we start these things off. Hopefully, everything's good. Chat looks good. We usually for the chat we use the weekly wisdom chat. That's the main money glitch chat. If you want to use that. Actually, speaking of which, let me just post in the chat. So that everybody knows. Just 1 second. So if you need to be subscribed to Weekly Wisdom to participate in that chat. So let me just put that up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys do. It's just weeklywisdom.com. It's simple. That's our main research and analysis website. We have a humongous team. I mean, this is top tier. So we're going to have a newsletter come out on Wednesday, every Wednesday morning, but we have multiple come out during the week as well, lots of stuff. And when you go read any of the old newsletters, we've been hitting it out the park like every fucking time. So that's something to be aware of. All right, let's get back to this. So markets, let's just do a quick recap on markets. Stocks, stocks are doing what stocks always do. Stay pumping. Right here, we got stocks. S&P put up, it was like 0.25% up today right here, as we see. NASDAQ, a good, healthy 0.5%. Everything looks good. NASDAQ's probably making push towards its all-time high. Sorry, 1 second. So make sure I don't double stream. So just let me know if stream cuts off or whatever it may be. I'm going to run a stream on my laptop just so if I see something buffering, and there's some background noise because I have TV running, just FYI. I'm just watching some ESPN, college football and stuff. So if you hear some noise and whatever, just ignore it. If it's bad, let me know. I'll turn it off, but I don't think it should be that bad. Okay, let's kind of get into it. Yeah, remember, there's YouTube here. I'll put the tweet. In the tweet, there is YouTube stream, Twitch stream, and X stream. So pick whatever you want. We're across all the markets. All the systems. I see a couple people on YouTube right now, on Twitch as well. So just pick whatever you like best. Because I would assume, because now I'm on all three We're gonna have our numbers drop a little bit on our X Live. So, but you know, whatever is what it is. We care more about everyone getting a good stream. But yeah, let's see. Let's see how this goes. We'll see what the you know what the results are, and then we'll go from there. Okay, markets. Yeah, we got S&P doing good. VIX sitting good under 16. You know, that's what we like to see. VIX sitting comfy over here. We don't want to see. Remember that short in VIX he did? That was an incredible short we had. Wow. Good job on us. Let's look at a couple other things. Rate markets, pretty flat on that. Actually, rates were down today, yeah. So we saw a little push down on rates. That's good. We definitely want to see that. Dollar has been weakening. You see that? This was when we had FOMC when they cut rates. We dumped, full reversal, smashed down, and now we're just like trending lower. So you want to see that? You want to see? You want to kind of see that keep going lower? We want to see a good break over here. So let's break 99.5 and just fucking slam down. That's where you get a real bull market in crypto. So that's definitely going to be a lot of fun. What else we got here? Gold. Obviously, gold was pushing up hard today, new all-time highs. We'd love to see that. We're big gold bulls over here, so that's definitely great. What else? Let's make sure everything's good. Hold on, let me just make sure everything's streaming, etc. What else we got here? Silver doing good. All right, let's get to crypto. That's right. You know, we've been putting out some big positions in crypto. Obviously, if you're in weekly wisdom, we've been long a bunch of stuff from this morning. All of that pumping. We got that big. So daily close is going to be in almost 15 minutes. So we want to see that. We want to see this daily close above 64K. If you can get it above 64.8, like so higher, break this and we get a daily close there. Phenomenal. If you can get a weekly close by Sunday night, if you can sit above here. And listen, I'm not a big technicals guy. You guys know this. I'm a macro guy, and I have a couple of my own, proprietary signals. But I know people like to see this stuff. I have a strategy team, part of Weekly Wisdom, and they tell me, you know, I kind of go off them. They're real smart guys. So I know that this is a big level that we're waiting for. It doesn't matter if you like TA or don't like TA. It's good to know some of the key levels because other people like it, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, right? So that's definitely clutch. So it's definitely good to know that. So good. So we're good rates wise. We're good dollar wise. We're good on all fronts over there. Crypto's looking great. So let's go through a couple of our positions. So obviously we've been trading Ethereum and Solana and a couple of memes. We'll just kind of go one by one, and then we'll look at a couple other things. So overall, you know what I said last time, I am bullish till the next macro event. The next macro event is going to be on October 4th, which is going to be labor payrolls. And you want to see payrolls, you want to see average hourly earnings, which is a proxy for inflation. You want to see that come down. But at the same time, you also don't want to see employment, labor market employment, either dump too much, because then there's going to be recession fear, nor do you want to see it spike too much. So just kind of stably, slow, stable up. That's perfect, because you want to see Fed still cut. You want to still see, right now, remember, we're pricing in 50 basis points. So we have a 50 basis point cut. The Fed on their dot plot is still looking for 50 basis points this year. So we're going to see a 25 basis point in November cut and a 25 basis point in December. The problem is the market is looking for I think it's a 25 and a 50. So they're looking for between 75 basis points to 100 basis points by year end. So that's definitely a little bit, that's going to be a little tough. Achieving those numbers. I mean, maybe we can, but I think it's not going to be easy. And then markets pricing in over 100 basis points next year, and Fed's kind of in that area too. So, it's not too bad. So yeah, so we're good on all. So you guys know my bullish thesis, like short term. So the next 2 weeks, I mean, that's why we've been longing last few days. Every stream you've seen, and we'll go through our trades too from stream. And obviously they've been doing phenomenal. Longs on PayPal, longs on FTM, longs on Solana, we were longing Solana on stream 130. It's 153. And let's look at that. That was a great breakout today. We saw Solana was under pressure, just sitting. Those were beautiful levels long. We were on stream right here. If you guys remember, this level here, we were on stream longing 128, 130. I think we were scalping around there as well. It was phenomenal. I think I got stopped out at one time, and then we finally re-longed again. Same for Pepe. You know, we were like sitting in these levels down here. But yeah, let's go. Solana looking beautiful. I don't see why we don't make a push towards. So we're gonna see a little pressure over here, like this 154 level, which is like a soft resistance. If you're a TA guy, that's what it'd be. But this is kind of the level you want to break out. You want to break out at 160. Break out 160. It's nothing but air. Like I said, this is until October 4th. So October 4th, you're gonna see some de-risk into it. So just kind of remember that. But yeah, other than that, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. So might as well. So any pullbacks on Solana, and we'll go through some bids in a bit, but any pullback on Solana is bullish. I mean, this is the buy the dip season, right? Until that changes, we're gonna keep buying the dip. That's what we do. We sell any big spike. Like you see, this is what let's take an example over here, right? Let's take this example here. Any big wicks, we sell on big wicks, and then we wait for a little pullback, and we'll buy there. Like something like this. We'll sell here, buy back here, or keep like around 150. Remember, in general, this is not how we trade. This is just part of our 4K to 40K challenge. In general, I'm just sitting long and strong. If you saw last newsletter, over 80% deployed. Because remember, in my newsletter, I kind of go through all the breakdown in like the breakdown of my portfolio, so how much I'm dedicated to stocks, crypto, exactly how much, what coins, that full breakdown every week we put in the newsletter. So you can see we're max deployed as of last Wednesday. We've been buying over the last 3 months in the newsletter, so that's looking good. What was that? That was like a weird noise. Damn, Clemson Tigers, man, they're getting crushed. Sorry, I got ESPN running there. Yeah, Clemson, man, what a fucking drop down for them. They've been shit for the last, since they won the championship, they've just been garbage. Anyways, back to markets. So yeah, let's go through one by one. So let's pull up our trading challenge. Let me pull up the Hyperliquid account. Okay, so remember, this is our Hyperliquid account. This is the one that we've been doing on stream. We've been trading. The goal here is to go from, we started at $4,000, as you can see here. That's probably easy account rally you see. We started at $4,000, and our target is $40,000. The idea for this, for new people on the stream, right? The idea here is purely stick to big coins, no crazy leverage. We're not trading some dog shit meme coin that I'll go shill or whatever. No, this is Hyperliquid, major coins only. So we've been trading like big cap, like Are we back? Let me know we're back. Damn. How does this keep happening? How do we just keep getting these things disconnected? It's kind of, honestly, maybe it's my computer, because where did we cut off? Do you guys know? Just put in the chat where we cut off. Let me know where we cut off, and then fuck, this is so annoying. Let me know where we cut off, and then we'll kind of start from there again. Do you guys know where we cut off? I'm just looking at the chat. Someone want to just tell me? Buying. Yes. Okay. So this is the challenge, right? The challenge has been basically we're sticking to big market cap coins, never going more than 5x. Maybe if we really have conviction, we might go a little bit between 5 to 10x. But we're keeping it low leverage, and just like I said, look at the P&L chart, right? Like slow hit, and then we hit single, a double, wait, patient, single, boop, down a little bit, single, double, single, that's it. We're just going slowly, slowly, slowly. That's the goal with this. And this has been all on stream free. I mean, you guys have been on every stream, or whoever has been. I'm sure we got new people in the stream today. Hopefully I didn't get cut out again. Honestly, I think, yeah, a couple of people saying it could be my internet or drivers. I have some people coming to the fiber or whatever it's called. I do have fiber, that's the thing. So I should be top tier at the moment. So it kind of doesn't make sense. But yeah, let's kind of take a look at a couple trades that we like. We put on a bunch of stuff this morning, and then it's pumped a lot since then. So I'm not really. I do have some orders here for a couple scalps, but you know, let's go through one by one stuff that we like. Let's and then we can take a couple of like if there's coins that you guys kind of like. But remember, the key is to not go full portfolio. We did initially a little bit, only because we had high conviction. But if you have high conviction, sure. Otherwise, we're not full porting anything. Like I said, we're going 5x. So, I mean, I guess technically, yeah, you would, on a 5x, you are going like, you're putting your whole collateral on the line, but that's not the goal. I don't know why, okay, sorry. A couple of these bids are wrong. I gotta take these out. So let's kind of cancel them and kind of start with there. So yeah, we're gonna cancel our bids and we'll kind of go and put new bids on one by one. So let's start with this. Big fan of Say. We've been looking at this. See, this is where we were looking to buy. Or we were buying on the. If you remember the last stream, literally right here is where we were looking to buy. And look at that God candle, 20%. Like, come on. Like, absolutely banger trade. I don't know where I would buy the retest. Maybe over here. You know, maybe you're just hoping for a big red candle at this point. But maybe over here or down here. If it doesn't get there in the next few days, means you're not getting it. It's gone. You gotta wait for like volatility of payrolls or something like that at this point. So, you know, something to be aware of. But this has been something we like a lot, but this has kind of gotten away. So we're going to kind of chill on that. Let's look at near. It's been another, yeah, you guys see, we've been trading, buying and selling near a lot. We had some great trades on near. Yeah, it's sitting at 5.4. Our targets initially was, when we were buying, was 4.5. We got in, or like, yeah, we got in around here. On the stream, not last stream, but the before, and we're looking to sell 5.25. So we got what we needed. I'll have to see where we want to bid these, because on this we'll kind of have to see what we get there. So nothing over there right now. Let's look at some bigger coins. ETH has been chilling. It was doing really well, then it's chilling. I'm pretty confident we're gonna break this level. I just don't know if we kind of retest here first. But I'm very confident we're gonna break out. I mean, this breakout's gonna be unreal. So I'll throw a little bit on this. Why not? If we get some scalp opportunities. This might be a little too much. Maybe we'll go for a little scalp opportunity here. 2575. 2575. You know, we'll keep it low. Remember, we're keeping very low leverage here. That's it. We're not greedy. We're slowly trying to clip it up. So, okay, we're gonna keep that. Let's go a couple others. Let's look at Soul. Soul's on, like, just firing. So maybe but you know, we'll go over here. 142. Why not? That's kind of what I liked before. 142 to yeah, keep it real tight leverage. Very low. And then we'll do a 138. Stink bids. That's what I call a stink bid. Stink bid, I don't mind levering up a little bit more, because it's like I usually just wick there and back. So we'll just throw that there just in case we get it. Let's look at that. What else should we look at? ARB. I really like ARB. Been trading a lot of ARB back and forth. So yeah, it's trading. Literally bought this. I like ARB. So we'll put let's put a stink bid. We'll put 2 bids on ARB. We'll put a stink bid, which is keep it tight, low leverage. Okay. Very low right now. So our net, somebody said I'm using 26x. I'm not. Do you guys get it, right? It's so I have every leverage is lower by like watch. It's just add this up. So we got 50, but that's not, remember, these aren't large caps. Like these things don't move like that. So we got 122,000. Portfolio is 21,000. It's not 20x, right? 10x would be 200,000. So it's less than 10x. So I'm comfortable here. I'll just kind of leave these on. If some opportunities come up where it's like some crazy wick, yeah, I'll jump in and buy that. But come on, guys, it's just math. Think about it. 21,000 times 10 is 200,000. The net of this, the gross of this is like 150,000. So it's not it's not it's not 20x leverage. We're not ever going above 10x. 10x is max. Right now we're lower than, much lower than 10x. Just something to be aware of. This is not a gunslinging portfolio where I take 100x and hope for the best. No, we're doing good, consistent trades and trying to turn our 4,000 into 40,000. And then once we hit 40,000, we'll go for 400,000. But we'll do that in weekly wisdom only. Too much, I can't be giving away too much free stuff. But yeah, that's what I like. Let's see, what else do I like? Yeah, I mean, memes. You know me, I'm a huge meme guy. So let's kind of look at some of these memes. Yeah, we've been trading PayPay a lot. So a lot of buying and selling I've been doing on PayPay, which we did on the stream. We were buying lows on PayPay. It was great. But we'll do. I'm not gonna put a bids because I'm pretty maxed out on my leverage. Because remember, I'm keeping it under like 7x. So for now, I'm just gonna watch it. But keep an eye out. If you get bids under 8 cents, if you see any VIX down under 8, not 8 cents, but you get it 0.008, I think it's a buy there. You could kind of look for in the middle and see. That'd be a buy too. But yeah, down here, I would probably buy down here, and I would buy down here. Just something to be aware of. Let's see, what else do I like on here? Oh, Mavia. Yeah, we were really looking at Mavia. Yeah, this thing's doing beautiful. But same thing, I would look down here, any big wicks, 1.4, I'd buy there. I'm not just gonna fucking, like I said, I'm not gunslinging. We're being good. Or I would come down here. Like if you did one of those, you know, those TA things, I'm sure, again, not a big TA guy, but if you're one big TA guy, this is, you know, you could probably look for when it does like a retest or whatever they call it, right? Remember, I'm a macro guy. I go off macro signals. So, like I said at the start of the stream, as long as like a couple things for me are good. So as long as NASDAQ is kind of just moving in this pattern up, as long as WIX is sitting below 16 with no crazy spikes, as long as 2-year rates are kind of sitting around that 3.5 and lower. Like, look, we're sitting at support, as you call, on 2-year notes, right? So it's possible we could see a push up on 2-year yields over here. If 2-year yields start pushing up, all of the markets are probably going to take a pressure down. So that's kind of what I mean, right? That's why I'm not full porting over here, because I could see a push down in the market if this yield starts moving up. So if this 2-year, if this thing starts pushing up, right? Like if it makes a push up, like see it makes a push up to here, to 3.56. It's at 3, so 2 free basis points. So let's say a move towards 3.6. A move from 3 point here to that's 6 basis points. You'll see a little like 2-3% in the market down, which is fine. 2-3% in the market down is completely okay. But you know, that's something to be aware of. Make sure stream is good. How many people we got on stream? I got 2,500. I wonder how many we got on on like YouTube and just want to give a quick look. Is there a calendar? Oh, we got people on Twitch. Holy shit. Okay, I got some questions all across. Okay, give me, okay, I'm gonna look at all these questions. So we'll do a Q&A. So post all your questions in the chat, right? I'm gonna go for the weekly wisdom chat first, but post all the stuff in the different chats. So in Twitch or YouTube, or Twitter chat, and then Money Glitch is what I'll go first on. And then let me look on YouTube. Oh, we got 50 on YouTube. I have zero. I just made that count today. I mean, obviously, I'm assuming. Is that just like organic? Like I don't know how does YouTube thing work? Does anyone know? Do they? I wonder if they are kind of broadcasting like to their local uh people. I just want to see. Yeah, 50 people on there on YouTube. Holy shit! How do I? Is there a chat on YouTube that I can pull up? I just want to see. Wow, we got some weird ads here. Holy shit! There's a lot of people. There's people talking on here too. Okay. There's a lot of questions across. First questions will be on Money Glitch, which is for people who don't know. Just quickly, I'll just go through it. So this is the newsletter, weeklywisdom.com. The subscription to this gets you obviously all the newsletters. Like we've been doing this for 2 years, and we've been crushing it. Let me see if I can just pull up. Probably doesn't have everything. Yeah, you have to be a full-time member, but it's got unreal amount of stuff. There's a lot of stuff for free people too. It's like 30 pages some. It comes out every week, but there's a mini newsletters that come out during the week. But remember, we got this chat, and this is like massive alpha. So this is our Telegram chat here, and we have, so this is my stream. So basically this is my channel where I put anything trades that I like. So I'll just make calls, be like, okay, buy this, buy that. Like Doge, we were buying, like this is wild. Like look at this. We were buying Doge like down here, 97 like 97, all kinds. I mean, it's just packed. Like we look at very advanced stuff too, like liquidation channels. A chart like this chart right here, that basically is leverage in the market. So we kind of examine that. We look at order books a lot. So there's a lot of deeper stuff that we're doing. And then we have a team, some of the best, and they're posting trades. They're posting tons of trades in there. We got Fox, we got Pigeon, it's just their names, but they post a lot of trades in there. Remember, these guys are all paid. So this is like top tier content. Money Glitch is one of our top tier trading chats over here. People are just absolutely killing it here nonstop. I'm sure if I scroll up, we'll see some crazy money that people here. This guy made like $30,000 on something today, probably. It's just packed with trades, people money. I mean, some people are just degenning on Rollbit. Somebody crushed on Mew earlier. Popcat. I mean, it's all over the place. And there's lots. There's a meme coin packed with people are just in there degenning meme coins, etc. We got stocks. Remember, we do everything. We do stocks, commodities. We do gaming a lot, like assets. But yeah, something to be aware of. Just FYI. But yeah, what was I, what were we on before? So yeah, this is what I was saying. So if we see this not move up too much, we're good. Let's go back to, okay, let me answer some of these questions one by one. Let's start with our Money Glitch chat. Let me put that over here. Big gaming guy. We'll go through a bunch of gaming assets and tokens that I like. Did we get disconnected again? Or are we back? Are we back? Can you guys let me know if we come back? I have Ethernet on. That's the thing. I have Ethernet on. I just don't have I don't know. I don't think. I don't. Maybe it's internet. Or it could be. I think it's the drivers. If anybody has any suggestions on how, I don't even. Okay, I'll look into it. I think it's the drivers because I don't think it's. It can't be anything else but drivers. Honestly, it wouldn't make sense for it to be anything else but drivers. Okay, so that's good. Couple other things. Let me just turn this. Okay, couple other things. Positioning wise, yeah. So I look at. So I I'll give you a couple ideas of how I do my portfolio. So when I look at my portfolio, I look at my portfolio from a top-down approach. So I think about there's you start from your entire life, right? And this is something I wish I learned kind of early on. Essentially, I look at like your net worth, right? So if you have a good, consistent job, right? If you're like, I'm not gonna get fired from my job, that means you basically have a annuity. You know, you got it's basically like a bond, right? You know, you're gonna get a consistent pay, consistent payments coming in. You know, you're not gonna get fired. So you know your upside is kind of capped, right? Yeah, you can work hard and get up the ladder, but you have no risk to the market. Oh wait, can you guys not hear me? Someone said my voice is good. Can you guys hear me or no? Okay, it's working. All right. So the way it works is, if you have a good, consistent job, you need to start allocating more risk because you have no exposure to the like stock market or just market in general. Like, yeah, you're just sitting in this consistent job where you're not gonna get fired, but you don't have upside either. So if you have a job like that where your correlation to the market is very low, means you need to be taking risks. Means you need to start deploying cash into crypto, into stocks, and like higher risk stocks. Not like you're not going and buying like top like Nvidia and stuff. You need to go higher on the risk scale, right? Because you have no correlation to the market, and you have to, especially when you're young. If you're young and you have a good consistent job, you need to take more risk in the market, plain and simple. Because that comes down to your 60-40 portfolio. Right now 60-40 portfolios are hitting their all-time highs, right? And that's what it is. It basically means you could do the 60-40 usually means you're doing a consistent 60% and a high risk 40%, and then you can change those ratios as market kind of moves around, just so you know. So in a 60-40 portfolio, that's kind of how I look at it. So what I've done is I want to take risk, right? Like, I mean, I'm good. I know I can make good money, but I want to kind of take risk. So I've look at my portfolio right now. If you were to pull up the newsletter, you'll see I'm 80% deployed. I think it's like 50% crypto, and then stocks, NFTs, private equity, commodities, gold, stuff like that. If I want to take more risk, I will sell like maybe gold or something or stocks and move it more into crypto. If I want to take more risk in crypto, because I'm so fucking bullish on the world, I'll start allocating more to high risk crypto. So more like altcoins, meme coins, stuff like that. So December 2022, right? I went full in on like the most I went everything. I did Solana, ETH, but I went hard. So if we were in the newsletter, you would have seen. I was like, we're buying Pepe, we're buying every meme coin. We're buying like 20, 30 million, like MOG at like 10, 15 million. I was like, we're taking high risk because this is the bottom of the like generational bottom, right? So that's something to kind of be aware of. So you need to go with the market. You can't just start taking risk right now like crazy because like market's like very like on the upper side, right? But crypto has been underperforming, so I've been allocating from stocks more into crypto, and it's kind of paying off. Like especially the last few days, I've been moving this allocation, especially if you saw in my newsletter. So that's something to be aware of. So when the questions came on positioning, that's how I look. Now in those buckets, in the crypto bucket, I have other allocation. I'm like, okay, I'm only gonna like leverage trades. I'm not gonna allocate with more than a certain amount. Like I have the 4K to 40K challenge right now, but that's not my main lever account. That's just what I've been doing because I want to help everyone out, and you can follow along and you can see, it's not bullshit. You guys are seeing me trade this live on a real account, Docs account. You guys literally, we're doing it together, and you saw a 5x account by just trading low leverage major meme coins, not some bullshit and doing 100x garbage, right? I'm trying to build good principles into you guys, and that's kind of the goal. So that's the thing. That's how I look at my positioning overall. And then, I have my own, a couple of mathematical models, like asset allocation models, where I come up with exact sizing based on my expected value of certain trades and stuff like that. And that kind of sauce, that's insider sauce for me, because that's stuff I learned over the last 15, 20 years, like, working on Wall Street and building out a lot of models and stuff like that. So something to be aware of. Other than that, let's see. Let's go through some more questions. What time is it? Yeah, I'm not looking to do a late stream. I might stream tomorrow afternoon or later. Maybe not tomorrow, but the day after. What is tomorrow? Wednesday? No, I don't think I'm streaming tomorrow. I'll do a Thursday stream for sure. But let me go through a couple more of the questions here, and then we'll kind of call it for the day. So okay. So Money Glitch chat, if you guys have more questions, ask there. Okay, I'm gonna look at Twitter. How do you choose position size? I saw that. Um, duh, 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 duh. Okay, are you holding Popcat? No, I'm not holding Popcat, not anymore. Thoughts on being overweight gold. The time to be overweight gold was end of 2022. Look at the MOG chart. All right, we got key money in here. Yes, I will look at the MOG chart. One of my favorite coins. Let's go, spot. Oh, baby, look at that. We got a fucking big boy to shit. Look at... Wait, no, that's not... Never mind. Where did it go? Did I click something else? Let's kind of reset this. Ooh, look at that. God, we were fucking waving this in. Let me pull up Dex Tools or something. It's probably easier. Or Dex Screener, yeah. You know, why do they not have MOG on fucking on Hyperliquid? Everyone needs to blast Hyperliquid because we could be trading MOG as part of this challenge, and we'd be up so much. Like, it's disgusting to me. Wow, 520 million market cap. Look at that God candle coming in, dude. This thing. We've been waving this in Weekly Wisdom. We were waving this in all the way down here. I think it hit like 250, 300 million at the lows over here recently. Like around this point, we waved it in there. We waved it in on this dump. This is gonna break out here. I mean, look at that. God, that is for a meme coin. This is a beautiful chart. Like, this is what you want to see. You want to see that big dump that it happens at first, a full, like, you know, 50, 60. What is that? Like a more than a 50% drawdown. Yeah, you want to see that 50% drawdown come. It's usually going to be 4 pull downs, fake outs. You get that double because everybody goes in here and is like, oh fuck yeah, it's going up. You liquidate those people, shake them out, build the support back up here, send it up again, get that 50-60% correction again, put a higher low. I mean, this is fucking a beautiful chart. Like, from here, look at this. How this looks here is how this chart is going to look soon. Like, you see this little path over here, this thing after this like dump down. That's how this is. I mean, I mean, these guys know. There's a lot of history with me and Mog. I love these guys. Yeah, Hyperliquid. You know, they need to, like, because then we could all be trading MOG, right? Like, I would have loved to put MOG on the Hyperliquid long, and we'd probably already hit 40K already. But that's okay. We stick to Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum on Hyperliquid, so we do it, like, you know, safe way. But yeah, this is good. I love this chart. I agree. It's a great chart, and I mean, I see no reason. Like, you tell me. Like, I mean, if I was looking at meme coin. Like, this is good, right? Like, look, it built this generational support here. Like, this is now solidified, right? Like, as a support. Like, this right here is a solid, like, look at this, a triple bottom, whatever you want to call it. And then you put the higher low, and then now we got some couple God candles coming in. We break out of this. We got over here. We break out over here. You got here. Boom. We'll probably hit this, retest this, and then bam, back up. So it's good. I mean, I'm just sitting on my MOG coins. I mean, it's something I don't worry about. MOG, Pepe, you know, I love trading Pepe in and out, but I keep a spot bag too, which is funny. If you know my history with Pepe and MOG, I mean, MOG I always loved, even though they used to make memes of me. Great guys, all the community around it. Like, you know, you got K Money and Shu and all those guys. They're awesome. But yeah, no, I love MOG. Same thing, like Pepe too. Like, you know, we obviously here we trade Pepe a lot, and you know, that was 2 of our trades. I think we back to back were just trade. Yeah, look at this. Like, we were trading, scalping back and forth Pepe to hit our 20, like, go 5x on our trade. But this is kind of what I see here. Like, I think we're gonna pull back here a little bit, right? Like, did I not say on the chat? Or when we were looking at Pepe, we're gonna see a pullback probably here or down, like kind of in this area. That's where you long again. You definitely long here, and you definitely long here. But if you can get like around here, that'd be a great place to get in. I think we might see here and then some fuck around, like it'll probably chop around a little bit. So, you know, we'll kind of see that. Um, but yeah, I have a spot position on PayPay that I'm just gonna hold till I get like levels around here to get out. So like a 2x. I think that's an easy 2x if you got liquidity that you don't have to push around. Um, da, 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 da. Yeah, we got a bunch of boys in here. A lot of great people. We got Mason in there, absolute legend. We got Kevin. We got bots in there. Good people. All right, what else? Somebody wants me to see Sui. We were trading this a lot early, like a couple 2 days ago. Um, yeah, it's a. I mean, these these are all like the ETH betas, right? If you can go in this or you can go in PayPay, go in Mod, doesn't matter. But I think those are more fun because it's meme coins. This is like a inorganic push, but hey, it's moving up. I would probably look for a bid around here. I don't know if you get it or look around here. Like, I'm not gonna buy a green candle like this. I would buy green candles on meme coins. I don't like buying green candles on alt L2 on fucking something. But it's good. It's good. I mean, if you're long, yeah, you should get some push around here. But I think it's good for now. Like, why not? There's nothing wrong with it. All right, let's go through a couple more questions. So Sui is good. I'll have one of the strategists look at Sui too, get some technical analysis numbers so we can kind of go through that. And over here, let's just go back to our charts. And remember what I said, the macro stuff before. As long as those macro conditions hold, crypto is just going to keep going. That's it. But at minimum, we should see till October 2nd, 3rd, market trending up in crypto, net. Like, we might see a dip and then back up, but net is going to trade up because, like I said, there's no macro overhang right now. We got PMI maybe. Consumer confidence was today, but it wasn't great, but market's still pushing up. Let's look at a couple more questions and then we're going to call it, okay? Are you a millionaire or a billionaire? I'm not a billionaire. Soon though. No, I'm nowhere close to a billion, but we're gonna work on it. Remember, listen, I'm back. I'm out of retirement. 5 years I was retired. I came out. That's why we're doing stream stuff. We're having fun. We want to do this stuff all together. Remember, you want to have more fun? Weekly Wisdom. I'm telling you, like, we basically have a money back guarantee on this. If you don't see a winning call in 24 hours to 1 week, we'll give you your money back, even though it's a monthly subscription. But you're on stream, you're already printing, we're going from 4K to 20K. Come on, you can afford to spend $60 in support. It's a big team, it's 15 people, everyone gets paid well, like it's just good stuff, trust me on this. All right, let's go through a couple more questions. Oh, what happens October 4th? October 4th is payrolls. It's macro data. It's one of the biggest macro data we've had since FOMC, which was last week. So we'll probably see some de-risk into it, and then we'll just, we'll see what happens, right? I don't know. And all right, let's go through a couple more market questions here. Let me see. There was a thoughts on gaming studio. I'm not sure about that. Carrot Gaming. I don't know what that is, so I don't want to give a view on something I don't know. I'll take a look and research it. I'll have somebody on my team take a look. What else? Thanks for the great. Thanks, guys. I said a lot of people loving the stream. I appreciate that a lot. Nothing, without our community over here. It's fun. I think we just got disconnected there. Fucking usual bullshit. Sorry about that. We're gonna work on this. We're gonna work on fixing this stream. I swear to God. But yeah, let's see. Any other questions here? All right. I see some like. What companies you work on Wall Street? A few. It's pretty easy to figure out who I am, and you can look it up. Oh, the bids do have stop losses. Yeah. You know, usually for stop losses on the just the stream challenge is usually $200 to $300. I'm willing to lose on each trade, so put your stop loss accordingly. Check out RB. No, okay, I'm not gonna look up some like dirt, like a 50. Don't send me 50K market cap meme coins to look up on this stream. Like we have what 4,000 plus viewers between the free sides. All right, let me just look at Twitch. Um, and kind of go from there. Okay, let me see what Twitch guys are saying. Is there a calendar of these important dates and events? Yes, if you on the newsletter, the first page of the newsletter is all the important events this upcoming week or this upcoming month. So make sure you go there. We have it all, but you can also go if you have TradingView or something, you can look it up there as well. But yeah, we have a list of all of them. You're not a TA guy, but what is your system like macro and price action? Yeah, a lot of it is like gut feel, price action, but it ends up being kind of TA anyways. But it's more like just feel of the market. But I have like legit signals that have inputs of macro inputs like rates, stocks, VIX, like volatility between different rate markets and how they have correlations to crypto and stuff. Like I have all those, and I kind of go off that. And sometimes I just fucking YOLO. Like sometimes I just, you know, my knees hurting means market's gonna fucking pump, and I fucking go all in. So it depends. Let's see. What else is on? There's a lot of people on Twitch. Are these like people just finding me on Twitch? Like where the fuck did these people come from? Okay. YouTube discovery is bad. Okay, that's fine. Sound is gone on Twitch. All right, that looks good. So Twitch is good. Let me make sure all the other chats are kind of covered before we call it. Yeah, you guys want to do some should we do some degen? What do you call should we degen some like gamble? Like what do you guys want to gamble? Let's do some blackjack. We'll do some blackjack and call it. Let's do some $500 bets on the blackjack. What casino do you guys like? Yeah, I'll just go on the casino that I have some money on, and then let's do a couple bets. If I win, we'll do a giveaway, and if I don't win, then whatever. We'll just call the stream. Won a couple $1,000s with you guys last time, so you know maybe we win. But let's kind of do that. I just have ignore the background noise. I just have TV running. So if you sorry about that, just try to watch some sports and stuff. But here I'm gonna put the let's play some blackjack. There is no shill of this thing. I'm not gonna post any referral links, none of that. This is one of the casinos I just have money on. If you guys have any other casinos you guys like, let me know. I'll use that. I personally do not care. I'm fine with any casino. Maybe I'll just take their name out because I don't want people thinking that I'm shilling a casino. So I'll just push that out. All right, let's just do a couple hands and then we'll kind of call it after that, right? Let's find a table that's 100 plus. Oh, good. Oh, it's U.S. Canada lacrosse. That's what I'm watching there. Just FYI. 100 plus. Let's okay. Let's go here. That's fine. All right, we'll do 2 free hands, $500, and then let's call it. Cause it's kind of late. I want to go have a beer and go watch. I'm gonna watch I've been dying to watch the Lord of the Rings trilogy again. So why not? Take a seat. Okay. Where's the next game? Next game soon. Okay. Should be any moment. Couple bets and then we'll call it. Okay, guys. Let's at least we're 3,800 on. Somebody said You didn't work. You worked on Wall Street as a janitor. Okay, I guess. Yeah. All right. That's awesome. You got me, guys. All right. What do you got? Let's play. $500 hands. Let's go. Do you feel good energy from this guy? All right. Stand on this, right? What else can you do? Just stand. Oh damn, USA Canada tied 2-2. Alright, here we go. No, not a 10. 10, give me a 10. Bust, bust! Bust! Let's go. Let's go, baby. Same thing. I know, dealer doesn't look too promising, but hey, he gave us a win. We'll take it. Tough cards, right? Alright, we're gonna hit. We'll just hopefully we get a 10 or an ace. We'll take that. But yeah, he still doesn't look too promising. I agree. If we lose this one, we'll go to a. Okay. Let's see. 16 is always tough, though, you know. Dealer's not being nice either. Oh, fuck. I don't know. I don't really like this dealer, I'll be honest. I want to see some good energy. Right? What do we think here? Which one of these guys? Alright, I was playing a lot with this guy before. Let's, this was on the last stream. I think it was the same guy. Alright, let's play with this guy next. Let's see what comes up. Damn, dealer just had a blackjack? Ooh, is that good omen or bad omen? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's see. Oh, this guy just... Is it just me? Oh, is there somebody else playing? Or did he walk away? Alright, we'll go 1 for 1. Alright, we'll play 2 more hands. Where you go? Ooh, what do we feel? Ooh. Not getting that energy from her. Ooh. The Black Widow. Is that racist to say Black Widow? She's not black though. Alright, oh. I don't know. Pairs! We'll take that. Should we split that? No, I'm just kidding. Technically. Alright, at least we got the pairs. That's good. Okay. Come on, fingers crossed. Give us that W. Give me that W. Dude, she does look forced to be here. Let's go. Oh, push. At least I got the pair, so that's okay. Alright, we stay here till we lose, I guess. Alright, just 2 more hands and then we'll call it, okay? Let's see. Unless we keep winning. If we keep winning, then we're going. We're not stopping. Let's go. Oh my god, I said Black Widow? I love her. Come on, let's go. Me and you, baby girl. We're going all the way. Let's go. She talking? I'll put her a volume. Do you guys want to hear her? They sometimes talk. Oh, where do we go? Do we go crazy and double down? Imagine. Give me a 10. Give me a 10, baby girl. Give me a 10 or gotta hit again, right? Come on. Give me an 8. 8. 8 or 9. Ah, shit. Do we stand? Yeah. Alright, let's stand on this one. It's tough. 17. We're fucked. Well, let's see what comes out next. we're fucked on. Like, hopefully, let's see what card comes out next. That will tell us we're fucked. I should have hit on the 17 or not. Yeah, see, I was fucked no matter what, so it doesn't matter. Dude, she's got that. Oh, she's dangerous, man. Bust, bust, bust. Oh. All right, last hand, and we're done. Yeah, how much do you think these people make? It's like $1 an hour. None of them are happy, so this is like some forced labor for sure. And you can't even tip them like in a real casino, like where you can tip your. Yeah, this is not good hand. This is just not good hand. So I'm out. Let's take this L over here and we'll move on. 21. Okay. All right, we keep playing. Damn, this is how they pull you back in. Keep gambling. We're still. I think we're flat. We still have not made a single dollar. I think we just keep losing and making it all back. I think net. Oh, somebody else came in. Oh, let's see if that helps us. Oh, damn it! We got a hit, right? Yeah, on the 14. Ugh. Alright, we'll call it on that. We'll take that 500 out for the day and we'll call it. Good stream, guys. Listen, amazing. Thank you, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to weeklywisdom.com. And then let's take a quick look at the markets before we leave. Everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks kind of good here. I'm going to keep a lot of my spot positions. I'll just keep running them. But yeah, for now, laters, guys. We broke 4,000 on Twitter, so that's good. But we'll call it for now. Cheers. Thank you to everyone. Appreciate you all. Next stream will not be tomorrow, but day after. Newsletter in the morning, 7:30 a.m. Newsletter will be out. Make sure you subscribe so you can read the newsletter.